Welcome back, fellas, to this new video of Tech Press. Today, let's check out the easily way of how to can redeem an actual product key or a Steam wallet code directly into Steam. So the process is not going to be that hard. So the first thing we're going to be doing here is to go and sign in directly inside Steam. So the first thing you want to do is to activate a game key. So this is for codes that add a game or a DLC to your library, usually into the format of it's going to be looking like this. This is an actual code. So how to redeem this? The very first and easy way is to log in directly into Steam. I'm going to hit into the option that says logged in. Once I'm here into the option which says sign in with account e-name, you can do it so directly here directly with this code, or you can do it directly with the QR code. That's totally up to you. So basically the only thing that you needed to do is to just focus into accessing the menu, click into the games menu that appears into the upper right corner, where you can have the very top of the Steam client. Now, if you choose the option that says activate a product into Steam from the drop-down menu, you can follow the prompts, click into next, and agree to the Steam subscriber agreement. Now, in this case, there is an actual issue with our account here into Steam. We cannot sign in, but basically, the process is actually going to be really easily, so you don't have to worry about any process. And for example, I'm going to click here into my account details elements. You can see that I have the access to the menu and the very upper right corner. So we're going to click into the option that says add funds to your Steam wallet. So either you can choose to redeem a Steam gift card or a wallet code and clicked in here, and you have chose the actual activation. So here what you can do is now to enter the Steam wallet code. Usually those are something like this kind of wallets you can use out directly into through your account, and the process actually is not that hard. Now it's going to be really important where to purchase directly into your region. You want to check that out, for example, into Latin America, and you're into Mexico, for example. These are the elements that you can choose to make the purchases and get your own Steam codes. Now, just in case you have an actual game element, what you can do, of course, is to access to the menu, into the game's menu options at the very top Steam client. When you can see these elements, when you can see, for example, the view your profile, and if you choose to activate a product into Steam and a specific product, what you can do is to, first of all, make sure that you have set it up the Steam profile to activate that element. Once you have now checked that information, you can always focus directly into my account details once again. And here into the search to the store, usually if you just type the word activate, it's going to be appearing games here, but I can focus into the left section. You can see there's more elements, and here there is the view license and product key activations. This is not for entering money elements, but this is how you can actually see all the key activations, all the license and product you have just purchased, and you can see all the elements added directly into your account. Store preferences are not that important. Family, secure and device, language preferences, cookies, and notification are not that important. What you want to do is just to focus directly into your account details once again, and make sure that you can just check out how to redeem your codes. Redeem a Steam gift card or a wallet code. It will be appearing all directly in here. And just in case you have a specific let's say, for example, a code, you can always focus into the option that says the chat element and try to communicate with somebody directly into the Steam community, so they can be helping you to get started directly into your Steam, or they even have the support element. They can be helping us a lot with all of those issues. So basically this is how an actual really easily tutorial, guys. So just in case you have any questions, you can leave it down below in the comment section. Usually something that you can do into your Steam always is to contact Steam support. The only thing that is going to be really hard is to contact Steam right away, because they don't have email support elements, so it's going to be really hard to get started with those. Usually what you can do to contact them is to click into the option that says support down below. You can click into what exactly are you looking for example, game, software, purchases, account, trading, Steam client, for example, let's say this one. Now let's say that you have an issue. I'm going to scroll a little bit down with the Steam gift cards or wallet codes, and you can choose whether this one is damaged, whether you need it to where you can redeem the Steam gift card, or to view recent purchases and wallet codes. So for example, I choose the second option. And here is the second element that you can even choose to redeem that element. But if, just in case this one didn't work, you can just click all directly into the frequently asked questions about the wallet code. So those are just a few steps of what you can actually do directly inside the actual Steam. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hopefully we can all see you guys next time.